Hello everyone. So right now I will present to you guys my thesis, which is the appliance of blockchain technology and how it is affecting the financial services business. My name is Merdisyah Fadli Muhammad and I'm from Institute Teknologi Bandung in Bandung, Indonesia. So right now the table of contents is I will discuss this research background, problem statement, research question and objective, literary review, research design, data selection, the key use cases of blockchain technology in the financial service industry, technology of blockchain advantages and disadvantages of blockchain, implementation of blockchain, and conclusions and recommendations. So first of all, research background. Financial industry is an industry that will be impacted by the rise of blockchain innovation. Without the utilization of banks or other financial institutions as third party, blockchain innovation is safer and can make a straightforward exchange. Blockchain is decentralized and provides a platform for a wide range of financial transactions. This innovation has altogether changed the financial services industry scene. The safety that the technological advancements of blockchain provide is a significant advantage for the industry. Because of the cryptographic algorithms in blockchain technology, it makes transactions more secure and unchangeable. This ensures the safety, openness, and auditability of financial transactions executed via blockchain. Like the internet, this emerging technology will open up new possibilities for conducting business quickly, cheaply, and efficiently. So for the problem statement, despite the rise in adoption, very little has been done to understand what could come from these changes. An evaluation that will break down both benefits and drawbacks associated with implementing blockchain tech into these networks, helping better reflect upon what challenges that might be faced while also reaping all possible rewards it has to offer. Because its capacity to modernize the recording and authentication of financial transactions, it has become increasingly popular within the industry of financial services in recent years. So my research question is, what are the current situations of blockchain technology in finance and how they are being used and its applications? What advantages and challenges does blockchain technology have in the financial sector? And how are blockchain technology being implemented in the financial industry and how are they being adopted by the industry? And what are the impacts of this technology in the future? So the objective is to identify the essential use instances of blockchain innovation in the financial services industry, assessing the advantages and disadvantages that blockchain technology brings to the business of financial services is significant or not, and how financial companies are currently accepting using blockchain technology, as well as the possible future effects. So for the literature review, first is blockchain. Antonopoulos in 2014 asserted that blockchain is a great tool that facilitates the seamless and trustworthy transfer of these digital assets among parties. This technology removes third-party involvement in transactions. The second one is the financial services business. The financial services business can act as a bank, investment firm, or other similar financial institutions. Its services encompass savings, deposits, investments, insurance, and additional offerings. This was mentioned by Berger and others in 2004. The third one is blockchain laws and regulations in the financial industry. According to FAN in 2018, policymakers are taking on board input from various stakeholders within the industry, and as well as society at large when formulating these policies designed to support growth for this emerging field. The last one is blockchain security and privacy. While blockchain maintains resistance to DDoS attacks, tamper resistant, and consistency, a universal blockchain system may require and gain from supplementary security and privacy properties that are crucial to digital currency systems and distributed ledger services. This was mentioned by Zhang and others in 2019. So this is the conceptual framework for my paper, and blockchain affects financial services and also laws and regulations. Cybersecurity is also affect blockchain. So everything affects the financial services, the use of blockchain. For the research design, the study takes an extensive view into how blockchain technology is shaping modern day finance while examining relevant literature that spans scholarly journals, reports, and articles. For the data collection, this investigation looks to explore how blockchain technology is being utilized within financial services by sourcing information from reliable secondary data such as scholarly publication and reports. Data sampling choice of the paper will be determined by the relevancy and importance of data included in each article or report. And data analysis, the data collected from secondary sources will be analyzed using desk research, which is a research method that involves identifying patterns and themes in data. So these are the papers that I chose for this paper. So there is 6 papers ranging from 2018 to 2023. The key uses of blockchain technology in the financial services industry. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger system that relies on shared databases and peer-to-peer validation of transactions by various users throughout the network. Regardless of where the assets were physically located, the existing responsibilities of the financial institution were defined by the records of the ledger and controlled by a particular institution. The first one is international payments and remittances. Utilizing blockchain has a promise to update the landscape of global transactions by making them quicker, more economical, and more productive. An example of this is Ripple, a blockchain-based platform that addresses specific needs with regard to international payments and has demonstrated its value through partnerships with major banking organizations. Second one is risk management and compliance. Blockchain innovation is poised to revolutionize the way financial institutions mitigate risks and navigate regulatory issues. The third one is joint financing and crowdfunding. Blockchain can be used to efficiently facilitate crowdfunding. And the last one is the digital identity. In the industry of finance, blockchain technology offers a promising solution for building secure and decentralized digital identity systems. So the technology of blockchain, there are 3 aspects of it. This DLT, distributed ledger technology, immutable records, and smart contracts. So as for the DLT, there is no duplication of data in blockchain network since everyone has access to the distributed ledger that records all transactions ever made. This ensures the security and efficacy of all financial dealings. Users for the immutable records, users are unable to make changes to ledger records. As a result, if a mistake was made in a transaction, it will require a second transaction to correct the first one without erasing the previous one. Because of this, everyone in the blockchain network can feel safe and confident in the data's veracity. Smart contracts, small identifiers known as smart contracts, store data to speed up business dealings. Corporate bond transfers may be subject to such limitations as travel restrictions, insurance premium payments due at specified intervals, and others. This gives users the assurance they need to speed up routine blockchain-based transactions and operations. So these are the advantages of blockchain. The first one is greater efficiency. Of course, with new technologies, it is used for more efficient transactions and easier transactions. For the decentralized finance, second one, blockchain technology continues to evolve and promise new development in the rise of decentralized finance. Using blockchain as its backbone, this innovative finance solution allows for seamless transactions without intermediation. An article released in the Journal of Finance highlights how much room Devi has made recently. And the last one is seamless and secure. Of course, with blockchain, everything is seamless and secure and can be used easily and directly. So there are disadvantages of blockchain. First one is privacy and security. Due to the accessible character of the distributed ledgers, everyone may have access to all transactions history, not just the ones in which they took part. Content being processed may also be leaked by smart contracts if they have access to transactions data. Second one is behavioral and counterparty risk. Lack of cooperation and collaboration between clearing services, banks, stakeholders, regulators, exchanges, trading firms is possible due to competing interests among financial institutions. Algorithms implemented and utilized in a way that can have anti-competitive effects are another potential concern associated with the distributed ledger. Last one is settlement risk. In settlement and post-trade clearing, completing a settlement is treated as mandatory by law. However, public blockchains, decentralized structure, can make assigning legal responsibilities difficult. The next one is implementation of blockchain. Commercial finance transparency from beginning to end is essential in the goods and services commercial financing. By making all transactions visible to all users in a distributed ledger, blockchain technology makes it easier for providers to use different incompatible systems. Second one is trade finance. Trade finance firms need to simplify the approval process from various legal entities, including customs, port authorities, and transportation companies. Legal entities can utilize blockchain technology for signing approvals, communicating statuses, and updating payment information and trading. Last one is cross-border transactions. Look, banks need a streamlined approach to reconcile foreign exchange transactions for managing domestic account and foreign accounts. Blockchain technology enables the conversion of accounts into stored accounts, leading to enhanced transparency and efficiency via automated reconciliation of all accounts. So for the conclusion, the application of blockchain right now is going rapidly as the technological advancement keep on increasing and stakeholders in the financial industry are responding by adapting to it. Many uses of blockchain were found and its benefits can improve how the financial industry works. Furthermore, the benefits that it offers can shape the whole industry and improve it by a great deal. Blockchain is used for things such as payment options, transactions, and many more in the financial industry. They are making the activities in the industry to be more efficient, reliable, and safer. Even though there were the risks mentioned, the application of blockchain impacts the industry as a whole. So recommendation for future studies is that the current study offers valuable insights into how blockchains can revolutionize financial technologies. However, it leaves several aspects undiscovered that continue demanding investigation. Hence, further research on this work's findings could enable deeper insights into blockchain's abilities to transfer financial. That is all for me. Thank you.